Hi, I'm taking a video. What do you have to say?
Hi, video.
Hi, video. What's today?
Tuesday. A school day.
Tuesday? How'd you know it's Tuesday?
It's Tuesday. No,
Tuesday.
say that again.
What's today?
Tuesday.
Tuesday. And is this the second day of school?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yup.
Yep.
So what do you think about school?
I used to go there when I was 3.
Right.
And Ian used to go to her school when she was 1.
Right.
And he used to say movie and movie and movie and movie and movie and all around. Even do you want to go to school first? Because you want downstairs and I'm on upstairs. So you should go to school first.
Is this the same thing you said yesterday?
Bye.
Bye.
Oh, yeah. Hello, camera. Bye, camera.
Bye, camera.